Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, today we are going to start chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is Presentation Software Special Effect. Children, let me tell you something. Presentation is one of the media through which we can express our view and ideas. But children, here presentation is not the verbal or non-verbal presentation. It is a multimedia presentation. Multimedia in the sense various text, images, animations, background, themes, so many different things combination will be together. Okay, a presentation is a structured delivery of information. In a proper way, in a systematic way, you can explain something. Because of presentation, we can do few things. We can clarify our goals. We can motivate ourselves. We can trust ourselves, evaluate our achievement, do our best, enjoy our life, and keep challenging. So these are the success mantras for life, children. So suppose this thing you want to display or you want to explain someone. So when you explain verbally, they will not understand it properly. But suppose if you use some images, some animation effect, okay, some text effect, then the viewer, the person, those who are watching or those who are seeing these videos, okay, or presentations, they will understand easily. So children, due to presentation, the attraction of user becomes easier. So there are so many presentation software available, but the best and user friendly is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is inside the package of Microsoft Office. So this presentation we can use in different purposes, and different people also can use, like teachers, professors, students, political leaders, sales representatives. Okay, they can use this PowerPoint to create a presentations. So children, I'll be showing you what are the components of presentation which PowerPoint Windows had, and what are the different ways of opening a new presentation. So children, first let me tell you, like creating a new presentation, there are different ways. You can open with blank presentation, you can open with recent templates, sample templates, themes, my templates, new file existing, and office.com templates. So these are the different templates or different options available through which we can create a presentations. Now children, see here, one presentation I will be creating in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how it look like, okay, and what are the steps I am doing, so see properly. So children, see the steps, how it opens. First of all, we have to click on the start button. Then we have to move to all programs. Then inside all programs, you can see we have Microsoft Office. Okay, so if you click Microsoft Office, so inside Microsoft Office you'll get Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So here you can see I have 2007, but maybe you have 2010, 13, 15. Okay, so these are the different versions available. So children, this is the windows of Microsoft PowerPoints, and here the pages of PowerPoint, pages of the presentations software, that is PowerPoint, are known as slide. So this is slide number 1. Here you can see children, slide 1 is given. If you want to create a new slide, you can go here in the home tab. Okay, see, you can, multiple slide options are available. Slide 2, again you can go here, new, slide 3. So slide are the different pages, okay, in PowerPoint, and this page allow you to do the work. You can see the layout, children. This dotted rectangular box are known as placeholder. This dotted rectangular box are known as placeholder. Here in my slide, you can see there is a add, click to add title and click to add subtitles. But you can change the layout, children. In the home tab, you get layout options. You can have a different type. See, I am selecting now title only. In title only, there is no subtitles, only titles available. So there are different types of layout based on our requirement, based on our presentation style, we have to select it. So children, when you open a new presentation, you can click on the office buttons or file tab, okay. Then you will get the new options. If you click on there, you can see multiple options, children. Blank and recent, install template, okay, they are installed templates, predefined, already built. Just you need to edit. Then install themes. There are multiple themes with design and font size, font color. My templates, okay, right now I don't have any templates over here. So from new from existing, if already we have saved one, then we can go here in this option also. Then we have features, agendas, okay, there are so many agendas. Abstract, many options are there, children. You can see art, business, calculators, calendars, okay, but right now these all are empty because we have not saved here. So basically if you divide, children, then we'll be having only 7 different types. So 7 different types. What are they? Blank presentation, recent templates, sample templates, themes, my templates, new from existing, and office.com templates. So children, to use this all, this should be installed in our computer. It should be downloaded in our computer. You can see here download options are available. So right now suppose I'm going from install themes. Let me check this one, introduction PowerPoint 2007, children. You'll find, see, automatically the text are appearing here. See, children, the beautifully designed presentation has been created with lots of pictures and animated effects and all. You got, children? So here just we need to edit, we need to make the changes only. Just change the picture, change the text, change the styles, and your presentation will be ready. So when you use a sample templates, okay, that time what happens, you get a predefined inbuilt with all the features like text, font size, font color, themes, background, images, everything will be available. Your work will be simply to modify that, simply to edit that, simply to change that. So we can use the sample also, okay, that is known as template. You can even refer to your book, page number 58, there is given sample templates. Installed templates, okay, sample templates, these are almost same. Templates means predefined, already available, some themes, some set of theme set of styles are already there. That simply you can use and you can just manipulate, just make a changes according to your topic. So this is one way, children. Now suppose if I go for another way, like I don't like any templates and I want to create my own. So I can click on the blank presentation and see, children, whatever you will be using, that will be here in recent use templates, okay. So blank presentation is actually the best one, we can say, because you get a blank, everything totally blank. You design according to your choice, you type according to your choice, you give animation effect, design effect, color, okay, images as per as your requirement. What you think will make user attractive or what will look our presentation like professionally, you can apply that part. So children, there are different ways of opening a presentation, but if you categorize that properly, you will get only 2 ways. One is template, another is blank one. Template means predefined, whereas blank means totally nil, empty you get. And the pages of a presentation are known as slides. And children, in slide we can add text, images, background, colors, even the animation. Animation is the movement, okay, how the text will appear. So this all effects will be added here. So is this clear, children? Understood this part? Now see, children, in blank presentation I'll be giving some effect, okay. So let me write something here. I'll write computer, okay, this is my text. Now see, children, we can select it, this one. This all options are similar to Microsoft Word. We can change the size, we can change the style, colors and all. This all are similar to Microsoft Then we can even give the color and all. Okay, this all part are same like Microsoft Word. Now see children, we can go to the design part. We have inbuilt design. From here we can select any design, any styles. See, I have selected this one. Okay, if you don't like this, you can go even for background styles. You can give your own background. The solid color you can apply it. Solid color will be there. You can apply it. See children, the style is same, but we are getting a color difference. Okay, you can even give the animation effect, children. How the slide will appear. See, like this. We'll make it small, like slow. Sorry. So we can see like different styles are available. See, different styles are available. Now we'll go for the slide show. And in slide show, suppose I'm going for from beginning. You can see here. See how beautifully the presentation was appeared. And children, slideshow is something like which appear, which cover the full screen. Means to show the presentation, we have to first we have to insert the text, then images, then background color, even text color, border of the images. These all things when you apply. After that, give some animations like animated effect, like how the presentation, how the slide will come, and how after one slide another slide will be displayed. Okay, this part is known as animations. So we have to give this effect also. So once you have given this effect and a design and you have completed your work, you can go for slideshow. So slideshow is one of the view of PowerPoint which cover the entire screen. Okay, the full screen is covered, and this part, this slideshow is used for presentation. We can use projector and all. We can use projector to display this presentation in a big wall. Okay, and the beautiful design part will attract the user, and even it will help you to explain the information and ideas. So that's why we call this as presentation software, because we present some topic. Clear children?